Welcome back to the Heritage Show. I'm Ling, and today's solo episode is about something I know all too well, being on the verge of burnout. I've been through burnout twice myself, and I know how overwhelming it can feel when you're running faster and faster, but never catching up. Now, as a burnout and resilience coach, I help people prevent and recover from burnout using a holistic approach with image work, mindfulness, compassion, and cognitive behavior therapy techniques. In this video, I will show you exactly what to do if you feel close to a burnout. You'll get 3 simple but powerful steps, a short visualization exercise, and a clarity on how to step off that endless treadmill before it's too late. First, start setting boundaries. When you're at the verge of burnout, first and foremost, you have to protect your energy. How to do that? Saying no to non-essential tasks, limiting your working hours, creating digital-free zones, making it clear between your working time space and your private time and space. Boundaries create the space you need for rest and recovery, which is an essential step to start reclaiming your energy and recovery from burnout. Practical tips number 2, start prioritize rest and self-care. Take some time to experiment and observe what truly helps you to recover, whether it's a nap, morning meditation, reading a book before sleep, a relaxing bath, go out for a walk. The goal is to recharge your body and mind so that you're not getting into the endless energy depletion loop. Practical tip number 3, prioritize sleep, nutrition, and movement. Even simple daily habits like getting 8 hours of sleep, eating a nutritious meal, and taking a short walk can restore your energy and help preventing burnout from escalating. Now I would like to invite you to try this simple visualization exercise. Close your eyes for a second. Take 3 rounds of deep breaths. Breathe in from your nose. Breathe out from your mouth. Second one, breathe in from your nose. Exhale from your mouth. Last one, breathe in. Take a short pause and exhale it all out. Now keep your eyes closed. I want you to imagine you're running on a treadmill. The treadmill is fast and you feel exhausted and tired, but somehow you cannot make the treadmill stop. Now imagine you step off the treadmill and let your feet rest on the solid ground. Take a moment to observe how your body feels. Your heart rate comes down. You can breathe better. Your body becomes lighter. And the sense of a weight lifted from your shoulder. And the calmness spreading through your body. Remember this feeling of stepping off from the treadmill. Whenever you finish work, close your laptop. Try imagine yourself stepping off from the treadmill and allow yourself to rest. Now you can gently open your eyes, come back to the room. Now pause the video and write down 1 immediate step you can take today to slow down. Maybe setting a boundary, taking a short walk, or committing to an earlier night's sleep. Remember, You don't have to combat burnout alone. Let's work together to get you off from the treadmill. Now book a free discovery call with me to explore how one-on-one coaching can help you reclaim your energy and clarity. Thank you for tuning in today. If you find this video helpful, hit subscribe, share this video with someone who might need it, and connect with me here or on LinkedIn, as I will be sharing more tools to prevent burnout, manage stress, and bring balance back into your life. Take care. Until next time.